Hello, welcome to our weekly podcast. I'm Arlene Jones, and I'm excited to be here with you today. I will be your host for this episode. Today, we'll be talking about how to grow your own vegetables at home. It's easy, cheap, and very rewarding. Did you know that by growing your own vegetables, you will save time, money, and the environment? Let me share some interesting facts about it. First, you will save a trip to the grocery store each week since you can have some ingredients in your own backyard. Second, you can benefit from eating fresher and richer in nutrients produce than those that come from large farms that use pesticides and other chemicals to maintain the crop. Third, you can control when to harvest your food. Additionally, getting your kids involved in the gardening process will make it more likely for them to try the vegetables and learn a new skill along the way. You will see the benefits in a reduced monthly food bill. Sound magic? Give it a try for yourself. If after all these facts you're still thinking about it, let me give you one more reason to start planting your own crops. Gardening is a physical activity. Pulling weeds, planting, and digging can burn up to 400 calories per hour. So now that you have decided to start your own garden, let's talk about what to grow. At first, you may feel overwhelmed with all the veggies options out there, but don't panic. For beginners, we recommend starting with herbs. Look at your lifestyle, the recipes you and your family eat more frequently, and decide which herbs you use the most before you start buying them all. You won't use them all at the same time. Some examples of most common choices are cilantro, rosemary, thyme, parsley, and basil. You can add or remove based on your preference. Fresh herbs are great in any dish. Also, you can freeze them or dry them for future recipes. If you want to venture with vegetables, homegrown tomatoes are a great choice to start your garden because of their exceptional flavor and easy maintenance. Cherry tomatoes are the best option for beginners. Zucchini, squash, bell peppers, and lettuce are also good additions to your garden. Remember to only plant the vegetables that you use frequently. Decide if you are going to start with plants or with seeds. Starting with seeds is the cheapest way to go. Let me tell you about Chris, who is 16. He started his own garden from seeds he saved from a field trip to the farm. Clever, isn't it? Don't make the mistake of using all of the seeds in the packet. Only a few are needed. Label and save the rest for future use. The trick to keeping your vegetables healthy and thriving is consistent water and some relaxed care. In our next episode, we'll have a special guest who will be sharing with us some ways to freeze and dry herbs for future recipes. To summarize our talk today, remember these 3 points. When you grow some of your food, you will see a reduction in your monthly groceries bill. You will control what goes in your food, and you will enjoy the freshness and nutrition your family deserves. Thank you for listening today. We'll tune in next week. For more information, find our page, Eat Healthy on a Low Budget, in Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We welcome your comments and suggestions.